Hey everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. So after starting the lab, open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then simply come on to task number 1 and copy this name, Dataflow API, and paste it here in Google Cloud Console search box. And open this first option, Dataflow API, in new tab. So in this first task, we have to disable this API and enable it again. So just wait for some time. And click on this manage. So now we have to disable this API. So click on this disable API and click on this disable. Now we have to enable this API again. So click on this enable. Just wait for some time. It will take some time, not more than 1 minute. So, okay. We are done with the task number 1. Simply come back to lab instruction page and click on this check my progress for task number 1. So here we have got the green tick. Now let's move to task number 2. So we have to complete the task number 2 using our cloud cell. So simply come back to lab instruction page, activate your cloud cell from here. And click on this continue. Then authorize. Now come back to lab instruction page, copy this first code which is there in task number 2 and paste it here in cloud cell and hit enter. Now wait for some time. Okay, so we are done with this code. You can simply scroll down and click on this check my progress for task number 2 first task. I think there are 3 check my progress in the task number 2. Let me check. Yes, there are 3 check my progress in task number 2. So once you are done with this first code, then simply scroll down, you will get the second code. Copy this second code, paste it here in Cloud Cell and hit enter. Okay, so we are also done with this code. Simply scroll down and click on this check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Now again scroll down a little bit. Now we have to create a bucket using Cloud Cell. So copy this first code, paste it here in a Cloud Cell and hit enter. Done. Now again copy this second code, paste it here into Cloud Cell and hit enter. Okay, so we are done with this second code also. Then simply click on check my progress. Okay, once you have got the green tick here, you are completed with task number 2. And once you are completed with task number 2, you are already completed with task number 3. So just simply click on check my progress for every task which is there in task number 3. In task number 3, there is 3 check my progress again. So click on all these 3 check my progress, you will get the green tick in task number 3. Now then come on to task number 4 and copy this first code from the task number 4 and paste it here in Cloud Cell and hit enter. Now wait for some time. Okay, so we are done with this task. And yes, after running this code in Cloud Cell, we have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes because lab takes time to update the score. So let's click on this check my progress. Okay, so I have got the green tick in task number 4 in first time only. And if you are not getting the green tick in task number 4, then simply wait 2 to 3 minutes. You will get the green tick here. There's again if you are not getting green tick after waiting 2 to 3 minutes, then simply wait for 5 minutes. You will get the green tick for sure here. If you have run this code in CloudSync, you will get the green tick here. And if you have got this type of message, it means that you will get the green tick for sure in task number 4. So as we are completed with task number 4, we are done with this lab. So simply click on this end lab and you will get the green tick in this lab. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, simply hit the like and subscribe button.